Hello, hello, hello. Honestly, this has been my easiest side hustle. I have made money just from posting little videos from brands on the Noise app. Noise app gives you everything from pictures, videos, descriptions, captions, including the hashtags. All you have to do is download the Noise app, copy and paste it, and download it where you wanna put on your social media like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and even Snapchat if you have. It costs $0 to start and $0 to continue. No followers needed because you are being paid per views. Join the Noise app or download the Noise app now. You can use my code OWMWN. You can get a $10 gift bonus after your first post. So happy posting!